Okay, so let's look at participles then. So participles are a form of a verb used to make verb phrases or past or present tenses. So past tense, present tense. Past, happened yesterday, happened already, yesterday, last week, last month, and beyond. So in regular verbs, we normally add ed to the end. Ed, talked, walked, climbed, climbed, write, written, that's different. Oh, wrote, different as well, irregular, ooh. Walked, drove, irregular, cycle, cycled, makes sense. But irregular verbs have their own rules. So like write, we don't say righted, write, we say wrote, not righted, so it's different. Swim and swam. I will swim today, I am swimming. I swam last year, and swum. Swum, definitely swam. Not so sure about swum though, but definitely swim. Swim is present, swam is past tense. We swam last year. I swam yesterday. I swam with them yesterday in the ocean. Makes sense. So if we take some words here, talk, talking, talked, swim, swimming, swam, hit, hitting, hit. So talk, in the present tense, talking, ing, talk, walk, walking, write, writing, jump, jumping, climb, climbing, biking, bike, biking, ride, riding, drive, driving. Makes sense. Past tense, talked, walked, climbed, not wrote, biked, yeah, bike, biking, biked, ride, riding, rode, yeah, makes, not quite, rided, no, built, building, built, not quite, write, read, read, yeah, kind of, not really, yeah, okay, talked, swim, swimming, there's an ing, makes sense, swimming, swam, not swimmed, swam, hit, hitting, hit, same again, unchanged. See, at least swim goes from im to am. This is hit, past tense. We hit them. It hit us last night. Makes sense. Not hitted, not hat, not hitted, not hat, not hum, not hut, hit, same. Hit, hitting, hit. Makes sense. So irregular verbs, irregular, strange. So they don't follow the common patterns and rules. They follow their own rules. How crazy is that? So participles, a form of a verb used in the past or present tense, as well as verb phrases. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.